And welcome everybody. Lucid stock on 12 January. So let's start with the steps in this video about the price prediction and technical analysis that can be explained in this video. Okay. However, we can see that it's going to be about the Fibonacci level from 0 to this one, and we can see that absolutely in every steps that can be done on this stock. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like. And however, we can see that from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level very going to be very well thing. Okay, let's go it do it in the good part on a good state. It's going to be about the price that can be an explanation from 56 USD until we can reach 8 USD. So we can see that the price that can be absolutely here on the stock. Okay, from the circle here, and it can increase until it reaches this part. Okay, however, this is going to be very important thing that can be explained on this stock. It can make this increase until we can reach this level of the red line. If we say that the increase in momentum, it can be after it. But first thing that we should take in consideration, the part that can be on 0.5 has a as a trend line, or has a separation that can help the trend line. Okay, that can help the part that can decrease. Okay, and then we can think that it's going to be about the increase next time here. So because the action between 1 Fibonacci level and 0 Fibonacci level has been completed, so we are waiting for the increase from 0 Fibonacci level to 1 Fibonacci level. Okay, and that is absolutely the thing that we wanted to go for, and we have to see that intention of this in our mind to have to see it. So it's going to be about the increase. Okay, and the decrease would be in the same manner that we wanted to absolutely see. Okay, here is also going to be the same thing. Also here is going to be the same thing. So we can start for the price on side stock that can be the distance between this level and this level. So if you subtracted 45 from 56, it can give us 11. If we can check it on another side, it can give us the same value here, 11. If we want to check out, that is going to be also on this another thing on another manner. So we can see it that is going to be from 45 on 37 to 37, it gives you 8. Here it also it can give you 8. Here also if you sit here it gives you 5. So if you sit 11 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 2, and 5 multiplied by 2, and you can say in the another thing 11 plus 11 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. It can give you this, the value that we have subtracted, that we said 8 subtract from 57, 56, it can give you about 48. So we can check out here to 11 plus 11 gives you 22, and 8 it gives you 30, 38, and it gave 5 plus 5 gives you 48. That is absolutely the thing that we wanted to reach in all the way that we wanted to explain. So that is half process or half explanation that we want to check out. So if we think that if you say that we have to decrease until 5 USD and 50 cents, so that means it can decrease below than this value again because it has a potential. Okay, this is the meaning of that retracement helps the trend line to know whether it can make it a continuous decrease or increase, if it's going to be in the middle or process, or it's going to be in the last process, maybe after the middle of the process during the decrease, or maybe during the decrease and from the start of the half process here between two trend lines, and then maybe increase if it had made this okay, maybe have this green candle. So if you think about here, it can be absolutely the same manner. So if we checked out, the price can be done from this level to this level. Okay, is the thing that I absolutely think about is a half, the another half part of the process, that is going to be between 0.78 0.786 Fibonacci level, 0.618 Fibonacci level. Okay, so we can say that the half process of the whole process between two trend lines is going to be located here. Maybe can be located here, but it commonly can be located here, so that rebounding parties can be on this side. Also, if we checked out here also, it can be the same thing. It can play a role between those two parts. Okay. Also, if we put a trend as a half process here, a trend line between those two trend lines, but it's going to be not going to be a trend line. It's only a line that helps the wave to know where it can move or where it can locate, and it had an ability to give a green candle, so it tended to increase. Okay, instead of making another all the way decrease by red candles. That is the thing that is about the summary of two movements that can done in every half process between two trend lines, between each level, between each two levels. Okay, if we went here and we wanted to think about whether this is going to be increase or decrease, think about it. Half process could be located here, and then it started to make a green candle from the bottom, so we can see the same manner here. Half process and the last part here, okay, touches it, and then it could increase. So the same manner can be done on Lucid stock or Lcid to increase momentum with the sync. That is what I think about the price that can be here on the side stock. Okay, that's what I could explain in the whole series that can be for the side stock on 12 January, and that's what I can think about absolutely in the things that what that I wanted to think, and that what I could explain about the price that can be absolutely very important thing in this video. And good luck on another episode about the price prediction news today in another explanation of technical analysis.